Hello guys, today we are going to have an unboxing of the new Lee Cooper brand new watch. Okay, I'm going to show you the unboxing of the Lee Cooper watch. Lee Cooper since 1908 watches. Let me open the box and show you what's inside. Wow, you can see it's a super watch. It's an analog design and a super cool graphic settings. Okay, let me open the box. Yeah, and we get the Lego Power watches, some time setting, watch settings, and some paper. Okay, and nothing more inside it. And we have a look at the watch. Wow, it is very good and very super watch, and I will show you its. Yeah, when I just take it off, yeah, it's our watch. It's a very good leather strap and very good build. The strap is very good and the design is also very good. And the Lee Cooper branded here and 60 and the second hand design, super cool design. And we got a date counter 24 hours and Sunday and there's design here. You can see it's Sunday, Monday, yeah. Very good. And we got two buttons here to adjust the date. You see it is moving. And we got here another switch. Yeah, this is a very good patch. We can use it for our daily use. Very good and stylish one. For daily use, it is a perfect one for you. Yeah, okay guys, very good. And this is a very good device. And I am gonna use it for my daily use, and I am using it for my daily use, and it's a good product. Okay guys, so that's all for in this video. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Okay guys, bye.